Laptop boy.
Don't give a fuck about what they gon' say about me. Can't fuss with nobody that fuss up my energy. Ooh, don't give a fuck about what these niggas all think of me. No. Don't fuck around with these bitches and they say about me. Fuck yo, fuck yo, fuck yo, fuck yo, fuck yo, fuck yo, fuck yo. Fuck your idea of me. 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 This ain't Target, bitch, so fuck your price match. Fuck what your plug been charging, he gon' get his pack snatched. And bitch, don't hit my line, won't front you no more gas. Can't mix unleaded with the premium, that shit is bad. Bitch, fuck your fashion fad, don't wear designer clothes. KE for killing them, that rose is on your tombstone. Can't understand our slang, bitch, fuck Rosetta Stone. These pussy niggas talk a language I cannot condone. I'm stacking francs, just keep it frank, I'm on the Francophone. I'm just a goblin for the green, I turn James Franco on. Think I'm in love with Mary Jane, I feel like Peter Parker. Cockroach the L when cops pull up, I call that Spidey powers. But fuck the law, bitch, don't give no fuss no more. My crew still hitting stains, and I'm still stealing shows. And I just fucked your bitch, fuck it for feeling show. She may have been a dime, a hoe is still a hoe. And bitch, I'm still the host with the most. I keep that bang of hoes. I got like packs, that shit is loud if you tryna blow. Might take your head off though, just leave your tits below. I spit like 6 below. What's that, freezing point? Fuck your college degree, don't wanna read no more books. Unless they comic books or record books or manga books or chiefin' books. We reckless with that shit, might get your necklace took. Nothing personal, you'd understand if you were with us when we penny push. I want a piece off that pie, got a taste with Granny cook. Don't like award shows, but wonder how the Grammys look. I bet that shit'll be a sight. Bet that BET gon' bet on me because my time is right. I bet they betting I won't make it out, and they could be right. But I don't worry about that shit when I start to write. I'm just haunted by these melodies and start to write. I know my destiny decided I'ma be alright. So fuck yo, 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 fuck your idea of me. Fuck your idea of me. Fuck your idea of me.